Hi guys, Cliff here. Welcome to part 3 of my Tiger Moth build. Dremel. I'm just going to cut, had to cut down the engine mount because it's a bit too tall for the top hatch. So I'm just going to drill another hole in the top, which should be very close to the motor, but it doesn't matter. Just angle you down and you can watch me do it. Okay. That's very, very warm indeed. What I'm going to do is probably just fix 2 screws to start with because it's come off again. Okay, let's see what we've got there then, guys. There's my motor mount. It's 1/16 ply with a 1/4 inch balsa centre. That would be fine. It's coming together, guys. I'm quite enjoying the build up to now. We've got the hatch is now done and magnetised, the motor is installed, so I'll just finish the strut and then I can get on with the dowel locators for the bottom wing. A drip of glue just to hold it. I'll wrap these in tissue when I'm done, if I tissue it. There we have it. These struts are looking a bit more strut-like. Strut my stuff. Did you want to see this, by the way? Moving more than just... I've got a pair of magnets here and a pair of magnets opposite. I've had to carve quite a bit of balsa wood away to clear the motor housing, but it's all bolted up, looking very smart. So, and that just goes on there like that. So front end's starting to take shape now. I've got an extra hole in the front here. I needed access to the screw, but I'll disguise that later on. Super. Okay guys, I'm just altering the wingtip shape from my blueprint I've just printed off for the Tiger Moth wing because it's completely the wrong shape. What I plan to do is to laminate the wingtip, and to do so I need to have a template to about roughly this shape here. So it's that shape there which I've just drawn, that one there. Okay, so first thing, get a piece of foam board down and make a template. Okay. Now I'm going to take the laminations all the way down to past this rib, and I can cut it to fit. I'm going to make this like I did before on the inside. There we go. And then, yeah. Okay, let's see what we've got. Because the shape is the same for both wings, so so there's our shape. The important thing is to hold the scalpel pretty much 90 degrees to the work surface, otherwise you're going to get a funny shaped angle on the wingtip. Like that. And I'll go and get some laminations just to put in there. There's one I had from earlier. That I'll cut it to 3/16 again, and then we'll blend that into the leading and trailing edges. Nice, lovely. Right guys, I've stripped up some 16th here, so I'm using, this is it's a small 1/16, big 1/32. Might actually be one for, anyway, I've stripped up a load of balsa here. So Paul Hill, I'm not going to put any vinegar in because I haven't got any yet, but I'm certainly going to use hot water. So so I'm going to just soak it all in hot water. I'm going to go for 3 laminations. So for Jack Seward and Dave Query, I know you enjoyed the last video, so this is for you guys. Michael O'Halloran, I'm going to do 3 laminations, get that nice and on record for you there. And I'm going to go and soak them now, and we'll have a go at bending them around. I can only do 3 at a time, but it won't take long to dry in this warmth. Right guys, see you soon. Keep the comments coming, by the way, love them. As soon as that's dry, I'm going to lay the wing up, lay the first panel up, and glue it together, but with a much nicer wingtip shape. That's the planned wingtip shape. Yuck. That's the new wingtip shape. Okay guys, I've got my wingtip pinned to the board, taken a notch out the end of the trailing edge section, so let's check for fit. And I'm more than happy with that. That's nice. Okay. And I think, you know, I'm going to glue this together, not with CA, but with aliphatic. Okay, now I could fix the leading edge. Just like that. Morning guys. Okay, it's a beautiful morning. We're now in lockdown again, so no flying today. However, there's a bit more building, so I'll angle you down and we'll unpin this wing, see what we got. I've just laid up the other wingtip. Other second wingtip. Had it drying overnight and I've just glued it this morning. So that won't be quite ready for use for a couple hours, but you know, it's on its way. Okay, here we go, the best part. A few sticks are now turned into, I'm expecting the plastic to stick a little bit because I've super glued a lot of the ribs, as you know. I've got to sheet the centre section after I fitted the dowels through these holes that clip into the tubes in the fuselage. So there we are guys. Here it is so far. It's the lower wings built. little hooks placed in on those ribs there for the strut fixings. I was going to make the undercarriage before I finished off part 3, but I haven't got around to it, so you can see what I've done so far. It's looking quite pretty, I think. Very pleased with it. Part 4 will see me completing the top wings and making the struts and the undercarriage. Still got the radio installation to do. A fair amount of sanding still to do, but it's coming along. So thanks for watching, and hit the old subscribe button, hit the old like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers!